Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all safe at your home. Today I am going to make tea time snacks with Nendrapalam, that is Kerala banana. Peel and cut the banana in the lengthwise. I just removing the center part of the banana because it is hard and sour in taste. Here I have taken samba aval soaked in water for 10 minutes, little ghee, country sugar, grated coconut, cashews. Heat the pan, add little ghee, also banana, fry it till it becomes soft. That's it. Transfer it to a bowl. Again, add some ghee. Fry the cashews. Then aval. And then coconut. Fry little bit. Add the fried banana and country sugar. That's it. The snacks is ready. Without tea, any snacks will not be taste good. So I am making masala tea. In this I am adding small piece of ginger, 2 cardamom and 2 black pepper. Ginger and pepper has lots of medicinal value. Including them in your daily diet, it may help to improve your health. Also helps to solve digestion problems. Here is our snacks and tea were ready. I am going to enjoy it with our family. You people take care and bye bye.